Hey Fixers! In this article, I have compiled a list of 101 plus free Python books. So many Finster users are distributed around the world. So we have users from India, Pakistan, and Europe, US, from many different countries all over the world. And some users complain that my Python books are too expensive. They cannot afford them. For example, when I was a student, I also couldn't afford buying a lot of technical books, but I needed them at this point. But actually, no worries. There are a lot of free resources out there. Excellent books. So I've like handpicked, I think 5 above the fold books, which I describe more deeply. The first is Coffee Break Python Slicing, which is a book from myself, 24 workouts to master slicing in Python. So this is a very specific sub-skill of the Python programming language, slicing, which is but also very important, also for libraries such as NumPy and so on. Then there's this excellent book from Al Sweikart called Invent Your Own Computer Games with Python. Al Sweikart is an excellent author. He has written many Python books and computer science books, and you should definitely check this out as well. Just click the link and get the PDF. Then the book Learning Python from Mark Lutz. It costs a lot of money if you buy it in a physical manner, but you can get the ebook for free. Do it and learn with the ebook. Also, Learn Python the Hard Way. Like, this is a very popular book, and it asks you to like perform Python exercises yourself, doing it in the terminal. And by investing the effort, you will improve over time. This is also a very good book, very interesting book and method. So check it out. Then we have another book from Al Sweikart, Making Games with Python. If you are more the gamer type, for example, I am not a gamer, but so I always try to avoid gaming stuff. But I mean, many of you are maybe have started to like programming because of gaming, and in this way, this book may be the best one for you. Then we have the Python Pocket Reference from Mark Lutz. He's a very famous author. It's one of the like I would say top 10 Python books in terms of popularity, and you can also get it for free. So if you don't know which, so I mean, I have a lot more books like here, 101 resources. But if you don't know where to start, then start here. Yeah, get these books, study them, and then you can like revisit this list again, or even buy a few Python books. I want to quickly mention, it really doesn't matter. Even if you buy Python books, this is one of the best investments you can make, actually, buying books. Books have the highest density of information and the highest quality, much higher quality than courses. So if you are in doubt, then buy books and study books. Like, reading books is really the one thing that sets apart people that thrive in their industries and people who don't. So if you don't read books, you will have a very hard time thriving in your industry. Yeah, most people who are really excellent read books every day. This is true for coding, computer science, for researchers. This is true even for business people like Warren Buffett and Jeff Bezos. They read books every day. So all the successful people are reading books. So you should like read all the books you can get your hands on. Yeah, buy them or get them for free, but just read them. This is one thing that matters. And there's no thing like no other vehicle of investment where you can earn higher returns on investment. Yeah. So if you put your money on the stock market, it will make you maybe 3%. If you buy books, it will make you like 100, 200, 300% per year for the rest of your life. So this is like the best return on investment you can have. So buy books, don't be cheap about this. If you are cheap about buying books, then actually you lose in the long term, even in the short term. Okay, so then we have a lot of other books. I have compiled them. Beginner's Python Tutorial. These are more online books. I also noted whether they are PDF, MOBI, or EPUB version, and some of them are HTML only. We have here, this one is also interesting, from a friend of, or some blogger. I wouldn't call him friend, but I wrote a few messages with him. Swaru, Byte of Python, very interesting. Then we have Code Academy, of course. They also have some book stuff, some book knowledge ordered in the book stuff. Fabioso Romano with Learning Python, very basic book. Learn Python the Hard Way. I have already, so with the stars I indicated the best books which we have already discussed in the Above the Fold books. Some of them. This one is interesting. I haven't discussed this Above the Fold Python cookbook, but it's only available with HTML. So the list has no specific order. Just like lose yourself in the list. If you search for specific frameworks like Django, then just search for Django in your browser. Then you see, okay, we have Django, we have Flask, we all have these web frameworks. We have like graphic stuff, GTK and standard library overviews. Think Python. This is also an excellent book about Python 2 and 3 as a PDF. So there's a lot of resources and there's really no excuse why you cannot learn Python. Okay, so that's it. If you are interested in these books, then get them. Also, if you want to like learn on autopilot, so because reading books needs you to be more active. So if you are more the passive guy, you just want to consume knowledge and you don't want to like actively seek out knowledge. So like pull knowledge from the sources you want to have, push knowledge that comes to you. Then check out my email list. I write a Python tutorial every day almost and send it to my whole email list. So you can I call it Coffee Break Python email list because you can improve your Python skills in your coffee breaks by solving Python puzzles and finishing small tutorials. So I would really appreciate you looking by and checking out whether it's for you. If it isn't, you can always unsubscribe. Otherwise, I hope you liked the video and see you in the next video. Bye.